Hello, my name's Georgia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hello, my name's Georgia and I've just said that already.
1, 2, 3, fuck it.
Today we have a video on how exactly I do my hair now that I've got curtain bangs. So not every day do I like to have my hair down and style it, you know. Sometimes it's a bit too much of an effort. I just like a nice, quick, easy, simple 5-minute hairstyle, and this is exactly what this video is going to show you. So I've got like a few hairstyles that are my go-to, I'd say, like whether it's for work or whether it's just because I want to have it up out my face, even including this one right here. I know this one isn't a curtain bang hairstyle, but it does show you how I get my curtain bangs off my face and stay off my face without anything falling down. So if this is something that you're interested in and you want to see more of, then please do let me know down below, and let's just jump straight in with the video. Oh, PS, mind the nasty tan on my hands. Yeah, just excuse that because that is just not good.
Okay, so what you're going to need for these hairstyles are a large roller brush for your bangs, a smaller roller brush or a backcomb brush, whatever you have to hand, a hairbrush, any styling gel of choice, a crocodile clip, a velcro roller, grips and a few tiny bubbles for the braid.
Okay, so for this hairstyle I've just basically put my bangs back into the roller. I've heated them with the hairdryer and I've styled them with the roller. If you do want to see how I do that, then I have already got a video up on my channel, so I will leave that below for you to go and watch, but I didn't really see a need to do it all again because I've already did it in a video. So that's exactly what I've done for this bit right here, and that is how the bangs are going to be styled throughout pretty much the whole entire video. So once you've watched this, maybe go over and check the other video out because that will show you how I create that flicky, volumized bangs. But we're going to start with the bubble braid, which is basically this hairstyle, and it's basically just a different take on a ponytail, and I've seen loads of girls on Instagram wear this style hair lately and I just love it. I just think it's so different and it is actually super easy. So what I'm going to do now is just quickly brush out my hair, and what you're going to need to do is basically make a really high sleek ponytail. So I'm not going to go into too much detail because obviously everyone knows how to do a sleek ponytail, but if there's any products or anything that I will recommend, I will show you throughout the video. So okay, once you've got it up as high as you can get it, a small tip that I use to get it as high as I possibly can is literally lower your head, look to the floor, and naturally your hands just come forward so it gets even higher. So you can pull the hair a lot easier when your head is facing the floor. And just to keep it in place even more, I'm going to put another bubble around. Okay, now that's all around. I'm not going to put any product in it just yet, I'll do that at the end. But now we're going to create that bubble braid. Hopefully you can see in the mirror behind me. If you can only see what's happening behind the scenes here and what you actually are balancing on, it's a little bit crazy. So you can just appreciate the different angles that we've tried to get down here, because it's been hard work. I've had to film it 3 times. But anyway, I have actually got a backcomb brush, but I can't find it anywhere, so we're just going to use a small roller brush instead. And the first step would be to get the middle section of the ponytail, so literally just the bit that sits right at the top, and you're just going to backcomb that. So okay, so then you just need to smooth it over with your fingers. Try not to brush it out because that's just going to undo any work that you've just done. And once you've got that volume at the top of the ponytail, then we just get the little bubbles. I've got 3 of them because I just like 3 with my length hair. Obviously it depends on how long your hair is, and sometimes you can use hair extensions, but it just gets a bit too complicated for me because obviously if you use hair extension when you've got your hair up, it just, you have to worry about all the clips, and yeah. If you have got short hair, obviously hair extensions will help, but mine is probably just about long enough to do this hairstyle. But even if you have got long hair, hair extensions will make it look really full right to the bottom of the braid as well. So I have done it with hair extensions before, but it is a bit of a faff. So I'm just going to show you the simple and easy way to do it, because you know we're here for the 5-minute quick and easy hairstyle. So get your little bobble and essentially just put it around like a normal ponytail, but you want to do it about that far away from the top so you've got enough hair to make a little bit of a bubble, but you don't want to do too far down because you do want to get about 3 of these in. So start the ponytail from about there and we'll go from there.
Once the first bubble's in the hair, you're just going to want to take your 2 fingers and basically just pull the hair apart to create that bubble style look.
Okay, so now you want to complete that step twice over. So again, probably here and then one little baby one just at the end. I'm just going to do the same step again. So from here, you're going to pick up the top section at the middle, like so, and back comb that. That bit has got a lot of volume in just there, and we're going to go again with the bubbles. And then we're going to go again for the 3rd time. The bubbles are now all done, and what you need to do now is add the product to the hair to keep it in place. So what I have been using lately and what I absolutely love, I actually found this on TikTok. It's just this. It's just the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel, and it's basically olive oil in a gel. And this honestly is just incredible. I think it's supposed to be for like Afro-Caribbean hair, and it just makes the hair stick in place and it doesn't leave it sticky, or it doesn't go really hard and crunchy and nasty. It literally just, it's like a mask for your hair throughout the day. That is literally what it looks like. To use this, I literally just use a new toothbrush, get a little bit on my fingers, and then I just dab it on the brush. I don't put the brush inside the thing just because I think that's a little bit gross, but I literally put the tiniest bit on there, and then we just, this is so hard to do without a mirror. This is also really good if you wanted to do like some styling with the baby hairs at the front, but personally I just don't think that suits me, so we're not going to do that. Anything left on the fingers, I do just like to go over the very ends of the hair just because it is really moisturising, and it just keeps it quite sleek. But honestly, this stuff is just amazing. I will leave a link for it below if you want to go and check it out. I think it's about £5 from Superdrug. The best thing about this, it doesn't even make your hair look greasy or anything. It literally just looks styled and in place, and again it stops all that wispy nastiness coming out, because I have the wispiest hair ever. I mean, I'm not sure if it's hair breakage or baby hairs, but I just get so much around here, especially when it's windy, and I can just never have a nice styled look, you know. So this has actually helped me so much, and this is what I recommend for any styles if you want it looking sleek or anything like that. So we'll come back to this in the next hairstyle as well. So now that's all done, we just need to take out the bangs. So right, so now you just need to do a little bit of styling. Look how dark my hair actually looks. Would you believe I'm actually blonde? To be fair, I'm not even mad at it. I actually quite like my dark hair, but it just looks so weird with like my bangs being dark when they were like blonde last week. It's just crazy. Definitely need lockdown to lift and to get my roots done, because they're essentially down to my ear holes. But once you've kind of played around with your fringe, and mine's a bit long now, so technically it's a bit too long. Just get my brush through it, give it a quick brush through, and it makes it extra wispy. And then these longer bits here, you can either choose to curl them or whatever, but that is literally the first hairstyle, and it literally takes about 5, maximum 10 minutes, especially if you're not using hair extensions. If you're using hair extensions, then good luck to you, because it's going to take me a whole lot longer than 10 minutes if I did it with hair extensions. But yeah, this is actually my favourite hair go-to at the moment. Obviously you don't have to have your fringe like this, you can just put it all back and then use the styling gel and have like a really sleek braid. Another thing I like to do with this is, I'm just going to completely ruin the fringe that I've just done, but all for the video. You literally brush it across to the one side. You can tuck it behind the ear just to really flatten that down. Grip it in behind the ear, and you've got that basically the same look but different. Okay, so that is going to go ahead and complete the first look of the hair. going to do the crocodile clip. Now I know this sounds really self-explanatory, but when I first invested in one of these bad boys, I didn't have a clue how to use one. So I'm going to show you how I do my crocodile clip. Messy, bun, hair. I haven't got time in the morning. I feel like this will be like my mum hairstyle. You know, like you just throw it and go and do the school run, you know, with this kind of hairstyle. This is what we're going for. So leave your fringe out. Maybe some long wispy bits as well. We can go over and curl those in a moment. Okay, so what you want to do is just grab it at the bottom of your head as if you're going to put it into a ponytail. Then you're just going to twist with your finger like so and curl it up just like that. And you can leave this bit at the top if you want, and then that is where you just pop in the crocodile clip. Try and secure it as much as you can, so I really push it together, and then you can leave this bit here floating out for more of like a 90s. This reminds me of Rachel from Friends, so a Jennifer Aniston 90s crocodile clip hair. This is literally what I wear to work a lot of the time because I just can't be bothered. But you could curl the whole entire hair and have it quite curled, and it looks more like an updo rather than you've just chucked your hair up. But that literally took what, 2 seconds? So that is that hairstyle. And how funny is that from like the back? You look like you got such a little short ponytail. But yeah, this is literally one of my favourite hairstyles to go to. It's just the most easiest, it's simple. And yeah, so the next hairstyle I'm going to show you is actually something not to do with the bangs at all. It's how to actually hide them. So if you wanted something like a really sleek, wow, got the McDonald's cut. Wow, she's pretty. Oh. It's actually if you wanted to hide the bangs. So if you wanted something that's really sleek and put together, but you don't want these on show, but they are really short, so you can't actually get them back into like a high pony or anything like that, then I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, so I'm not sure if you've seen on Instagram, but I've definitely seen it on like Cinzia or Sophia, or basically Sophia or Cinzia, you know, one or the other. Joking. Now I have seen it on Instagram quite a lot, so brush out your hair first. So you want to basically part your hair where you normally have it, and it is basically the bun with the part down the middle that's really sleek, really put together, but really easy as well. So part your hair exactly where you like it, and we're just going to start brushing. So normally if you wanted to do this hairstyle like back in the day, you'd brush it this way, so your fringe would be, it basically like middle parting but like all the way down. You're not going to do that this time. This time you're going to brush it backwards, but you're going to try and keep the parting in place. So brush backwards. As you can see, we've still got that parting in place just there. And essentially just keep brushing back as if it's a normal ponytail, but keep the pony low. Don't put it up on top of the head. Keep it as low as you can get it for that nice bun style. Okay, I know this step's really weird now, but I literally just get a bobble and just put it into a quick ponytail. So this doesn't have to be neat or anything, I've just put a scrunchie in just because you want to slick these back using the trusty olive oil gel. I'm just going to get a little bit between my fingers. Literally like the tiniest bit. You don't want to overdo it on this product because it will stay. Okay, so I'm just going to keep brushing back. Don't forget to keep the parting separate. I haven't actually tied my hair back properly yet, so this is why the fringe is moving, but we're literally just going to part it sideways rather than go all the way back. Just make sure this bit is kept completely separate. So when you've slicked your hair back as much as you'd like it, that is when we're going to get the ponytail. So you want to kind of centre it at the back of the head. Okay, and what I like to do is just create a tight ponytail. That is what it looks like now. And then to create the bun, I'm just going to turn around and show you exactly what I do.
Okay, so once your hair's in the ponytail, you're just going to want to take it and twist it around your finger, and then basically just roll it back around the bobble, so to create that bun shape, and then just clip it in with some grips and you're good to go.
is the finished look on this one. This is the easiest I think by far, and it's just so quick and easy for anyone with any length hair, or if you just want to get your fringe off your face. Okay, so that is going to go ahead and conclude today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know it's something a little bit different. Thought it'd be a fun idea just to show you how I style my hair now that I've got bangs. And now I'm kind of a girl that just hates my hair down, to be completely honest. Even though I love having the bangs, I hate hair all around here. Like, I just like to get it up and get it away. So that is why I made this video, so you can see exactly how I style my hair. I really hope you enjoyed it and this video was helpful for you in some shape or form. And yeah, if you're not subscribed already, then please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It means so much to me. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye.